This is a story about, the times when there was zamindari, and the old zamindars who lived in their havelis would finish their dinner and then dress themselves up and sit in the coaches and go out to the courtesan to listen to dance and music, wearing the gajra around their wrists. And the wife would come and put a chador around the neck, and the zamindar used to go out. And when he came back after visiting the courtesan, the chador used to be missing. And she would ask, "Chador kothay?" And he was nonplussed, and obviously it had either dropped somewhere or he'd given it away or lost it. The next day, the same thing happened, and this continued for about a week. Every day he'd go out for these recitals, and every day he'd come back and the wife would ask, "Chador kothay?" And he had, no answer. Finally, on the 8th day, she took out a beautiful chador and said, "This is the last chador that I have. Please look after it." So he put it on very grandly, went off in the buggy at night, and throughout the journey and during the time when he was sitting with the courtesan, he kept talking to the chador. "Hey, dhoro, ekhane, hey, ঠিক আছে, ধরো আছি, এই chador, দেখো, জানে না কোথায়?" And with great delight, he came back holding the chador like this home. And he called out to his wife, "Hey, Shlo, kodai tumi? Hey, dekho, chador ache." And the wife gently looked up to him and said, "Either the ঠিক আছে, কিন্তু ধুতি কোথায়?"